Oh, lordy, lordy. I don't know if this is going to work. I still got to sew it, but I got to let the cement dry really good before I go to hammering too hard through it. These are not gone all the way through. And I may not have made this slot big enough. It is an awful big trumpet handle that's got to fit down through there, and I'm kind of afraid I didn't make that big enough. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know what to do now. But I do have another hatchet I could fit in here. It's the kit. It's the knife hatchet kit, the Black Beauty. It's got a smaller handle, much smaller. And if you know, the one I just finished doesn't fit in here, I know that other one will. And I'll just make another one with a much wider slot, because that trumpet pommel rather, is awful big. And I kind of think I didn't make that big enough. We'll see. I'm like 99% sure I didn't make that slot big enough. But I'm not going to stop. I like, you know, this is my first ever axe sheath, so, you know, there are all kinds of variables that I didn't think of until it was too late and I already had it glued together. So we'll see, and I'm going to let this dry about an hour, and we'll be back. It only took me 5 years to figure out that I can make my phone a hotspot and get my TV to recognize a hotspot, and I can watch my YouTube videos on my TV while I'm in here working on stuff. All right, I'm fixing to go dress these edges, and then I'm going to go home and see. Like, I was 90% sure it wouldn't fit. I'm like 99.9% sure, but I do think that the other one will fit. And so we'll see that in a minute. Yeah, I can't believe it. It took me 5 years to figure out, I can make a hotspot with my phone and make this TV. Yep, I did it. Took me a minute to figure it out, but technology, it's a double-edged sword. I love it in some ways, and some ways it's so aggravating. I woke up at 1 o'clock this morning. I don't know why. Sometimes it happens. Just, you know, my wife too. Sometimes she'll go to bed and wake up at 11 and get up and stay up all night and, you know, come back to bed at 6 in the morning and sleep an hour. And I just don't know. You know, we try to think, is it something we ate? You know, she hurt, I hurt. It might be pain. Who knows? So, woke up at 1 o'clock this morning, and I was doing things, you know, that were quiet. So I went into my office, man cave, and I got on Amazon, and they have changed the Amazon website again. And it took me forever. I'm talking about an hour and a half, and I even gave up for a little while. It got so aggravated, looking for my Amazon link that I leave. And I want to say thank you to everyone who has used my Amazon link. It really helps at the end of the month. Sometimes it's, you know, $100. I mean, they don't send it to you unless it's $100. So I've only gone a couple of months, you know, and all the time I've been an affiliate where I didn't get $100 out of them. So this is the video, and I'm putting it on this video because what happens when I offer something for, you know, a giveaway. That's this, by the way, the Warsun T7 flashlight. Told you I carry it. If I just do a video and it's a giveaway, then I see people in the comments who never, ever, ever comment on my videos. And I don't even know if they're subscribed, you know. So I'm doing the giveaway on this video. So if you're watching this video after the 6th of October 2024, the giveaway is long over, because this is Friday the 4th. Saturday, tomorrow is the 5th. You'll see this video. All you got to do is leave a comment, and Sunday early morning I'll do the random comment picker, and I'm not giving away one, but I'm giving away two. They're cool little flashlights. Now, they're only $11, but they're just cool little flashlights. And who doesn't want to have a cool little free flashlight show up in their mail? All right, let me go finish this and go home and see if it'll work. I kind of like it. Being my first one, not bad, not bad. I mean, you know, I should have thought a little more about the slot there, but we'll see. I'll dress this up and I'll show it to you. I'll go to the house and see if that'll fit. All right, got it. Got the edges dressed. Now, we go drink a dew. Well, what do you know? It fits, and it wasn't even a push. I guess it's a little deceiving. You know, we men always think things are bigger than they really are. Okay, I like it. My very first sheath. Axe sheath. Come out good. All right. Now, I'm going to my garage, and I'm going to take my throttle apart on my motorcycle, and I have this dry lube. I'll tell you when I get down there what the problem is. It's, you know, not dangerous, but it is a little annoying. And, you know, it could be dangerous in the right circumstances, but I'm going to drink a dew on the front porch. My wife wants a dew, so we're going to sit and commiserate and then go back to work. Okay, I thought I was done, but I'm not. I got to do two things. Inside, if I don't cover the button there, the metal button right there on the inside, it's going to end up scratching that shiny axe. So I'm going to skive this down real thin and put some glue on it, and then put it on there and hold it tight. And I'm going to darken the sheath. The handle's much darker than this, so I'm going to try light brown. This was tan. I'm going to go with light brown. So that's two things, and then I'm going to the other shop. Oh, man, I've had a good day, productive day. Made my very first axe sheath. Come out good, come out good. I like it. And I'm glad I darkened it. Goes a little better with this. Okay, this is for sale. If anybody wants it, let me know. I fixed my throttle on my motorcycle. That was not as hard as I thought it was going to be. And it's like brand new now. So there's 500, 600 bucks I saved. I pulled the air filters off of each motorcycle and cleaned them thoroughly. And then since I had them off, I cranked the bikes up, and I had my carb cleaner, and I cleaned the throttle bodies and got them all cleaned up. Anyway, got the air filters, cleaned air filters back in, and it's 2:30, and I'm home, and I'm taking the rest of the day off. Have a good Saturday, y'all. Oh, pardon me. Yeah, I'm back to this, too. I don't know if you know what that is, but this is what I had to do, and then my lungs got a little better, and now they're getting bad again. I don't know whether it's pollen or what, but I got to inhale that. I'm supposed to do it 4 times a day, and I haven't done it in 3 years. You know, I injured my lungs years ago, and I had to inhale this stuff. And then slowly my lungs got used to what lung capacity I have left. And I guess my lungs adjusted. Same thing with Charlie. Charlie had half a lung removed, and you wouldn't know it. Well, same thing with me. I think I got used to what lung capacity I had. And for some reason, I'm starting to get bad again. And I think it's got something to do with allergies. I don't know. Sinus infection. I don't know, but I'm going to be doing this for a little while until my lungs get better. Okay, I don't know what I was going to say. Oh, yeah, the flashlight. Where is it? Right here. This flashlight. You want it? Leave a comment, and let's see. I'm going to be gone. Tomorrow I'll have a funeral, and I'm not sure what time it is. I'll be right back. I'm going to find out what time it is. Yeah, it's going to be right around noon. Over in Hallsville. It's about a 30-minute ride, I guess. Alrighty, so I will do the I'll do the random comment picker. I'll do it Sunday. You'll see that Sunday morning. So that'll give everybody Saturday to watch this video. And the people that don't usually watch my videos won't know this. So we'll see you. Have a good Saturday.
Now, cold words were never spoken. A prominent Democrat this week also said he fully expects Israel to attack Iran's nuclear facilities. William Cohen, who served as former U.S. President Bill Clinton's defense secretary in the 1990s, told CNN on Wednesday that he doesn't believe that Biden's desire for a ceasefire is realistic. And we trust that Israel will listen to these voices, not that of a lame duck mentally challenged.